Hey everyone, welcome back to TechUnboxPro, your ultimate source for daily mobile unboxings and honest tech reviews. Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy M36, the latest addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup that's turning a lot of heads in 2025. This smartphone promises flagship-level features at an affordable price, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Galaxy M36 comes with a refined minimalist look that feels both premium and practical. The matte back finish gives it a sophisticated appeal, while the soft curved edges make it extremely comfortable to hold. The phone is surprisingly lightweight despite packing a large 5000 mAh battery, and the overall construction feels sturdy and elegant. It's available in three modern colors: Titan Gray, Sky Blue and Mint Green, each one adding its own personality to the device. The triple camera setup on the back sits neatly in a rectangular module with a soft metallic finish that perfectly complements the Samsung logo at the bottom. Now let's talk about the display, which is one of Samsung's strongest points. The M36 features a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means everything from gaming to scrolling feels buttery smooth. The display produces vibrant colors, deep blacks and excellent brightness levels. Even outdoors, watching movies and videos on this screen feels immersive and premium, just like you'd expect from Samsung. Under the hood, the Galaxy M36 is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset built on the efficient 5nm process. This processor, combined with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, ensures smooth multitasking and great gaming performance. Whether you're editing videos, browsing multiple apps, or playing graphics-intensive games like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile, the phone handles it all effortlessly. Now coming to the camera setup, Samsung has equipped the Galaxy M36 with a 50-megapixel main sensor featuring optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a